Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to pick up right where we left off last time. So right now, this isn't that pretty. It's getting the job done, but it's not that great. So let's see if we can neaten this up. First thing we're going to utilize is we're going to utilize break. So if you've not watched break, the video on break, and I don't know if I put break and continue together, but if you don't know what break does, stop here, go and watch that. So alright, we're just going to hotwire this and change this to true. So we can get rid of this right here. Now, so if we don't need that, we don't need this. So now let's see if we can get this cleaned up. Alright, so let's add a nice little print right here, kind of like an Easter egg. So if you're going to type in exit, I hope you don't need an exit sign and you type in exit. So, well, some sort of exit that you need. So type exit at any time, and I'll show you what this is going to do. So alright, so now we don't need this either, but now we need a break. So if item equals exit break. Whoops. Break. And I did not hit. There we go. So I wonder if anybody's going to catch what I'm doing. So alright, let's check this out. So alright, we need, let's see, can you think of anything else? Oh, I need some shampoo. So there we go. So type exit at any time. I need some shampoo, and that's all I needed. So exit. So, alright, let's pull up our, oh crap, I got exit in there. So what do we need to do? We need to move this below here. Boom. Because we want this to execute, kick us out of here. If it's exit, not add it to the list, because I don't want that on my list. So alright, let's see if I did it right this time. So okay. And really, if we want to get fancy, we should be having, if we're going to run this script, this should be down here, if I can type. So each time we run it, run this, okay. Do I need some dog food? I want some shrimp. And now I'm done. Exit. So now let's pull this up and see if we got it. So exit was there, but dog food, shrimp, and then no more exit. So there we go. This is a sweet little program, nice and neat and small and squeezed in, and we use all the things that we've learned. We got an input in there, we got a break statement, we got a while loop, we learned our new thing about with, we got an open file, we're dealing with writing to the file, we're appending the file. So we just knocked out a whole bunch of stuff there with a nice little cute little shopping list. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And also, please leave any comments, questions, or my absolute favorite, any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.